This story out of the State Department. Amid the raging pandemic, Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and his wife continue to do White House parties and their own parties, inviting more than 900 guests to an indoor holiday party at the State Department. Yesterday, though, only a fraction of those guests actually attended the reception after public health officials warned that it could turn into a super spreader event. According to officials who spoke to the Washington Post, about 70 people reportedly RSVP'd, but even fewer than 70 showed up. Pompeo was scheduled to speak at the event, but he reportedly canceled it at the last minute, tapping another speaker. The State Department did not respond to questions about why Pompeo's speech was canceled. Other questions might pertain to why he would hold super spreader events amid a raging pandemic when top health officials are begging the American citizens to not gather for Christmas, to not gather for Thanksgiving, to stay home and try and mitigate this virus until a vaccine is in full effect across the country. This man just can't help himself, whether it's some sort of desperate need to run for president someday or if he just doesn't care about the health of other Americans. He keeps holding parties or going to party at the White House like it's important to him to be seen in some social setting. It's some desperate need to keep going as if nothing was going on with this pandemic, despite well over 300,000 people being dead.
Thanks for checking out MSNBC on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the day's biggest stories. And you can click on any of the videos around us to watch more from Morning Joe and MSNBC. Thanks so much for watching.